Tahini is best known as an ingredient in hummus. It is full of healthy fats and a variety of vitamins and minerals. We will begin by toasting sesame seeds on medium heat. Stirring constantly will distribute the heat evenly and avoid the sesame seeds from burning. Toast until fragrant and nuttier. This will also change the color to a light golden brown. Add them to a blender when warm. This will help release its natural oils. You may have to stop a couple of times to scrape down the sides. Once you have a thick paste, add olive oil to smoothen out the mixture and set it to blend. Add salt to taste and finally blend again. And there you have it, a basic tahini recipe. This can further be made into a dressing, spread, or a dip, and it will keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.